lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I have a lot to get done, so I thought this would just be like a get it all done video. I'm really wanting to get to the couch in the living room. It really needs a deep cleaning, so I'm going to get out my carpet cleaner and take care of that mess. And then I kind of wanted to carpet clean out here in the living room anyways, because carpet kind of needs it. But yeah, and then I got the kitchen, bathroom, all kinds of rooms to get all cleaned up. So I'm just going to make this hopefully a pretty long video for you guys, and I hope you all enjoy and get some cleaning motivation, or just clean along with me if you like. But if this is your first time here, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join my little YouTube family. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But yeah, let's get on to the cleaning. So first I'm just going to be starting with cleaning everything off of the couch and taking off the couch cushions, just so I can start vacuuming under the couch, because you know, with pets and with children, stuff, crumbs, you know, everything ends up under the couch.
And that's what made me fall in love, 'cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
And now I've gotten out my Hoover carpet cleaner, and I'm just using the attachment, to clean the upholstery on my couch, because it was badly needing it. This poor couch just has stains, but it turned out looking pretty good after, you know, I cleaned her up.
And that's what made me fall in love, 'cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
Just look at all the grossness that is being sucked up into the hose.
Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweater,
here to clean the windows. The cats like to sit up here, so it always gets kind of dirty.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it? That brings you
I can't even remember what that stain was from, but it took a good few run-throughs to get that stain out. But I think I finally got it to come out, or at least lightened it to where I don't see it as often.
fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy.
So I've been out in the living room, cleaning the couch and cleaning the carpets and everything. And so I come back into my daughter's room. She's now in our room watching Wizard of Oz on the iPad. But I come into my daughter's room because she's been in here playing, and oh my goodness, can someone send help? Like, oh, I'm gonna have fun cleaning this. All right, you guys are gonna see me clean this soon. Stay tuned. I have to laugh because I showed my daughter, you know, the little clip of her room when it was a mess, and she's like, I made a mess, Mom. I'm so sorry. It was just so cute.
I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town.
This big splatter you see over here that I'm cleaning, somebody spilled a whole bunch of soy sauce all over the counter, so that's what that is.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Alright, well that was about everything that I got done tonight. So didn't get everything done, but I got a good bit done. So I'm getting ready to enjoy some dinner now, and then get her a bath, and then me get a shower, and then off to bed because I got work in the morning. So I will see you guys all in the next video. I hope you guys get some good cleaning motivation out of this, and you know, just hope you had a good time watching. And yeah, if this is for your first time here, please think about subscribing, and I'll see y'all again next time. Bye guys. You want to say it?
I don't know what I'd do without you.